This is a one-owner 2018 Subaru Forester 2.5i Premium. Has 4 cylinders, the partial zero emissions vehicle with 2.5 liters. AutoCheck gives this Subaru a score of 92 out of 93 and shows no history of being involved in any accidents or having any damage reported. You can view the AutoCheck report by visiting www.onyxautosales.com. Here is the back area, and underneath here is your spare tire and all the tools and equipment you would need if you have the unfortunate experience of needing to change your tire. There is the aluminum alloy rims and the tread on the tires. Now let's go inside. The interior is a gray fabric in excellent condition. Here is the back row. And the passenger seat. And the driver's seat. An information panel. Your this screen is where your backup camera is. There's your climate controls. Heated seats. Stay toasty warm on those cold winter mornings. And here you have an auxiliary and USB port. There are no caution or warning lights on. You have lane departure and blind spot monitoring, phone controls. You can pair your phone, power locks and power windows. And up here is where you can control your collision and your lane departure. And it's also equipped with a panoramic sunroof. And the driver's seat is a power seat. If you are looking for an all-wheel drive vehicle to travel around in, come into Onyx Auto Sales and take this Subaru Forester out for a test drive. We're located at 95 West, 400 North in Logan, Utah. Purchase your vehicle through Onyx and you will drive away with a smile. Onyx Auto Sales, let's rock!